Have you ever wondered how to earn money from Adsterra? Well, today is your lucky day. We're about to untangle the intricacies of this popular advertising network and guide you through the process of turning your digital space into a lucrative platform. First things first, what exactly is Adsterra? It's a leading digital advertising company that offers a powerful solution for both advertisers and publishers. If you're a website owner or a blogger, Adsterra can help you monetize your traffic. Now, how does one go about doing that? Step 1. Register as a publisher. Navigate to the Adsterra website and click on the Sign Up button. You'll need to fill out a simple form with your personal details and your website's information. Then, wait for your account to be approved. Step 2. Set up your ad zones. Once your account is approved, you'll need to set up ad zones on your website. This is where the magic happens. Ad zones are areas on your site where ads will be displayed. Adsterra offers a variety of ad formats, including banners, pop-unders, and native ads. Choose the ones that best fit your site's layout and audience. Step 3. Implement the ad code. After setting up your ad zones, Adsterra will provide you with an ad code. Copy this code and paste it into your website's HTML. This will allow ads to start appearing on your site. Step 4. Monitor your earnings. Adsterra has a comprehensive dashboard where you can monitor your earnings in real time. It's important to keep track of your performance and make adjustments if necessary. To summarize, earning money from Adsterra involves 4 main steps: registering as a publisher, setting up your ad zones, implementing the ad code, and monitoring your earnings. Remember, the key to success with Adsterra, or any advertising network for that matter, is to have quality content that attracts a steady flow of traffic. The more visitors you have, the more potential clicks on ads, and the more revenue you could generate. Moreover, always ensure that the ads displayed on your site are relevant to your audience. Irrelevant ads may deter visitors from returning to your site. With Adsterra, you have control over the types of ads that appear on your site, so use this to your advantage. In conclusion, Adsterra can be a great way to monetize your website or blog. It may take some time and effort to set up, but the potential earnings could be well worth it. So why not give it a try? You might just find that it's the perfect solution for your monetization needs.